Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, right now you're looking at a man. His name is Javon Pinnock. Yes, Javon Pinnock is a Jamaican and he's wanted by NYPD for murder. Yes, and also murder we are talking about for the killing of another Jamaican, a guy by the name of Javon Jamison, them call him Blingers. This man wanted for murder, armed and dangerous suspect in the brutal execution style murder. So NYPD is urgently seeking Javon Pinnock, 32, in connection with the cold-blooded murder of Javon Jamison, also known as Blingers. Pinnock remained at large after allegedly executing Jamison in the early hours of April 8th, 2023, outside a Pure night club near the Pure Lounge nightclub in St. Albans, Queens, New York. So this was just not another gun violence. This was a ruthless and deliberate execution. Surveillance footage captured the horrifying moment when Pinnock allegedly pulled a gun from his sweatshirt, aimed it directly at Jamison's face and pulled the trigger. Even after the victim attempted to escape, Pinnock and his accomplice, Christopher King, 32, of Elmont, Long Island, mercilessly fired at him, unleashing at least 20 rounds. So it was a deliberate act, premeditated. King, this is the second time he's been arrested and charged with murder in New York. You know, in New York, is liberalism, up is down and down is up. And you know, say, them can't get all 10 years of prison, and I don't know how them operate this way, but that's how these educated people think. Them believe in a second chance of murder. We don't believe in that. That's why we stay far from these kind of states. So the final and chilling moment, Pinnock allegedly stood over Jamison body and fired the fatal shots and said, P-hole. You know Jamaican, you know when somebody say P-hole, you know who my boy. So I want you, anyway you see this man, he's in Jamaica. Last information we received that he was seen in Montego Bay. Please, we're asking, we're begging you, as a Jamaican, please do not subscribe to the Jamaican criminal culture by protecting this boy, because today you protect him, tomorrow he might turn on you. Pinnock is 32 years old, 5 feet 10 inches tall, weight 220 pounds. He has a scar, a distinctive scar on the left side of his cheek, or you can't say face. He look like Frog. Some people call him Froggy. Authorities already arrested Christopher King, who was struck down in Georgia and extradited to New York to face the murder charges, a criminal possession of a weapon and reckless endangerment. If King faces 25 years in prison if convicted. However, Pinnock is still on the run and he's believed to be in Jamaica, and he must be caught before he harms someone else. So we are begging you, we are beseeching, asking all of you Jamaicans just to do the right thing so that this corrosion, this killer is taken off the street and placed in the right place where he's supposed to be, either in custody, and if he resists, then our police officers in Jamaica, they can do the rightful thing if he resists and send him straight to the departure lounge. So moving on to today's video. So today you're looking at a man, yes, that's King Council, yeah man, Peter Champagnie, and a woman, you're going to hear a woman on this video saying some things, exposing him, things this is the first time you're hearing these things, and it's really, really shocking, that a woman exposing a king counsel, a man like Peter Champagnie, and she decided to share some intriguing and possible eye-opening information about one of Jamaica's most esteemed legal minds. Yeah, man, King's Counsel Peter Champagnie, known for his sharp intellect, commanding courtroom presence, and high-profile legal victories. It was Tom Tavares Fins who brought him to the fore. Tom Tavares, he's one of Tom Tavares, when you're talking about protege, Tom Tavares Finson. One of the legal minds. So Champagnie has built a reputation as one of the most formidable attorneys in the country. However, this woman is about to pull back the curtains and reveal details that may challenge the public's perceptions of him. As she speaks, you will have to decide for yourself whether her revelation are startling truths, deeply personal experiences, or simply another layer to the complex world of law and justice in Jamaica. So stay tuned and pay close attention, because this could be an expose like no other, where the lines between admiration and controversy blur. So you watch, you listen, and you will decide.
And these are facts, things women know. These are things that I know. I'm friend them. The girl them family member and Champagnie a friend. That's why I'm representing them. Now, when it suits you, you're going to say you nah represent bad man we kill your friend. But when it suits you, you're going to represent bad man because them are your friend. But me have one thing to tell you now. 4 years now. December we in November gone. 4 full years. My child in a wheelchair. 4 full years. Our life changed permanently. As a matter of fact, me never say permanently because nobody is bigger than God. Nothing is bigger than my God. God has taken her from nothing to a whole lot. And I'm upset because when I look on this man, I go release a statement say, him know Barbara Gale and him not gonna represent the boy we kill Barbara Gale because him know Barbara Gale. No, I am not discrediting this woman's life or her accolades or accomplishments or her affiliates. None of that is what I'm speaking about. So who want go screenshot, screen clip, or what you want call it, edit, change, pick out one on one, pick out piece here and there, say this, say that, yes or this or everywhere, and make it seem as if I said something I am not saying. One, cause me coulda care zero at this point. Me Venetia no care. I do not care. All the time I speak, I wanna pick out one on one, pick out, I wanna edit one on one, edit, I wanna put, I wanna tell lie, I wanna write, I wanna screenshot my face, I wanna put all kind of things on it, I wanna put, I wanna so disrespectful, especially them the vloggers. No. Champagnie, you're scum. Scum. You mix with bad man. You live with bad man. You walk and you talk with bad man. And una law. Uno behave like the law belong to Uno. You are a shame and disgrace. Me Venetia says so. And you know what's the saddest thing about this? You have children. Everybody jump up Kaylan shouldn't their party and Kaylan got illegal party. The party was not breaking curfew. As a matter of fact, make we stick up in there. All the party keep and police there. Talk about that. Party a keep, a break curfew, police is there. Why police never lock off the illegal party? The party was illegal because of what? He did not get a permit. If he not get a permit, why party a keep and party ram? So Kaylan did forgot ask the man for him permit? Kaylan did forgot ask the man, fee, where you me now come at your party unless me see the permit. Who God dance go ask the permit? Tell me, who goes to a party and asks for a permit? Me awake, me all big enough party. Me a party from my idea, money, and me never ask no permission. Me never ask no promoter where in permit there. Go argue with the police who keep the party. Argue with the police that kept that party because they were there. The police them did there the party. So ask them about the permits and why the party I keep and why the party illegal and I keep. Should I ask the police them about that curfew? No, put all that aside. I am not taking away from whether she right or she wrong. Because me don't take full responsibility for it. I am not saying whether she's, because anybody who know me tell me can tell on the street. I blamed myself. All of the blame upon me. Because me, the mother, should have said, you're not going away. So, don't think that I am sweeping anything under the rug. Me not sweeping nothing under the rug. Me not try to change history. But, the fact that this man, I going to make a statement now. Say, because you have to shut your mouth, Champagnie. Because let me tell you now, what in the dark, I go come to the light. There's still a lot of things I have to say, but me not go say it yet. Me not ready for it, you know. Me not drink my porridge when it's hot, cause me not burn up my mouth. And me not drink my soup hot. Me not ready for no yet. So all who feel like say them out there and them a live and them a live and them a live and una live, una better live with look back on, look back on, look back on. And me not have to touch a soul. Me not do nobody nothing. Me a left my God a go fight for me. Him a fight for me and him a go continue to fight for me. But me upset right now. Because how dare you? My child in a wheelchair, you know. Barbara Gale dead. I may understand that. But Barbara Gale is an old woman. Live her full life. And who want come to me when me don't talk come? She live her life. My daughter young and fresh. Just started school, gone back at schools, just start school, just start her liquor business, just start fresh and ready to take on the world. Ready to take on the world. And you never see nothing wrong with it, sir? You never see nothing wrong with what them do? I may talk because Champagnie, you represented them. Where's the case now? You never hear about the case. I'm not realize something not hear about the case. Every time court date, mention next court date. Mention next court date. Mention next court date. And that is the repetition. That is the repetition. Mention next court date. People, the court case not start yet. From 2020 till now, it has been mentioning. 4 years. And it has been mentioning in court. That is it. The court case is riddled with corruption. From the detective to the liar them, the girl them, the bad man them, everybody, one line of corruption. Because them and the liar them and the imagine, you know, the detectives who are on the case and who are supposed to be prosecuting the girl them, they with the girl them. The liar was supposed to depend the case and them a friend. Listening now, Champagnie, you same one, you and the girl them family member a bench and batty so. Me coulda care less. I want life. I want me dead. Me I got heaven anyway. So, corruption from start to finish. I know the case can try. I know the case can start. Number one, Detective Davis, you are the first one. You drag till all the defense did have to ask you, say, if a which side you depend. Me did their quote when them ask you that. Me did their quote when you were almost held in contempt of court. No matter how the case try, the man absent. The man forget evidence, the man not come with nothing. The man forget God, the hospital forget this, he not come with nothing. Corruption from start to finish. You, sir, I'm soon I post with phone picnic, happy and a sweet, as if say, my picnic not deserve nothing in this life. How much of us have not made a mistake in their life? If night could have turned day, not found a runway. The skeletons were in a closet. The skeletons were packed up in a closet. Me not look nothing from nobody now. But me can tell you this, justice have to be served. So if I 10 years from now, me I tell you no, take sleep and mark that it have to serve. Every last one now, no, justice must be served. So all who feel like say them do my pick me something and get away with it. Uno no prayer, uno no eye water. Anybody will feel like say victory belongs to them. Me can't tell you no, so I lie not tell. Cause victory is mine. And if you don't know by now, you're supposed to know say me know this city. And you're supposed to know say me know God. So me never know him back then. Me can't sure me know him now. You're supposed to know say me know him by now. And me not start calling on him to God yet. I say, me not start calling on him. I never one day pray and call on him to God. Because me I give the justice system time. Enough time. Until me feel satisfied. Say uno completely have failed. 4 years. Champagnie will write a statement now. Say him not take the case. But you run out and defend the little skirmish them. Girl will sit down a roadside and beg $150. Girl will every party them go them a beat people. You think of the first? This is not their first incident. And the first I no give them bail. How them get bail? Pick me in a coma and then get bail. That makes sense to anybody? Pick me still in a hospital in a coma and them get bail. Tell me if that makes sense to anybody. That makes sense to nobody? Champagnie, your time has come. Your time is coming, sir. Your time is coming. And I'm not man you for afraid of. I God you for fear. Because when he ma beat you, can guarantee you, you wish a man did a beat you. Me say, it a go fall not only upon you, upon your children's children. All I know, me I tell you this. It a go fall upon your children's children. And anybody want come say don't wish bad for people, shut up. It a go fall upon your children's children for the wickedness one I do to people over and over. What if a criminal you back? What if a criminal you fight for? What if a criminal where you know so them do wickedness and killings and you fight for them? But true Barbara, you're your friend. You gonna say you not take the case. Why you never run the little germs them when them say them when them beat my pitney? Me vex, and who wants to say something about it, have something for say, go and go say, cause me vex. I will never say, oh no, remember say you're a minister. Oh no, but me I tell the truth. Me not tell no lie. Me not tell no lie.
So now that you have listened to the mother, you know, after hearing this mother's revelation about Peter Champagnie's selective clientele, particularly his willingness to represent accused murderers, even in case where the victims are not his friends. But if the victim is his friends, he's not going to represent them. So it's time, you know, for you to weigh in. Do you think that a lawyer of his stature has a moral obligation to decline cases, especially when personal relationships with the victims are involved? Or do you think that as a defense attorney, he is simply fulfilling his professional duty regardless of the emotional complexities? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Should there be ethical limits to legal representation, or just truly blind? So, you know, you let us know in the comment section. You know, that goes to show you that not because this man is practicing laws and as an attorney, but it goes to show you that he's showing the world that it's not every money is good money, because the victim in this case, Barbara Gale, is his friend, and he could not in good conscience represent this man. So that is what he says, you know, so he could not defend the accused man. So, you know, thanks for tuning into the, as we tell you, over here, so, you know, it's all about edifying the people so that you can aspire to be a better person. That is what we are all about here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.